Design Showcase is brought to you by these fine sponsors.
Good morning. We're here with Payne and Payne Renovation and Design with Dean, one of the owners here, and Jill, their head of interior design. So Dean, tell us a little bit more about Payne and Payne Renovations.
We're a design build renovations company. Basically, we take it all the way from concept all the way to finish build, foundation to furniture even.
You basically get design and then everybody there to manage your project. So you don't have to schedule when the drywall people are coming. We do all of it.
I'm very excited about this renovation that we're sitting in right now. Could you take us through the process?
Yeah, so we are in a century farmhouse. It was built in the 1850s. And the house was too small for the family, and the kitchen was outdated. So the original kitchen, we kept the same footprint.
What rooms did you add on here?
Well, we added on this scullery and a very large pantry, a back entrance, mud room, and a really cute dog room for their dogs when they leave. A very large garage, and above the garage is a second floor laundry, and then 2 bedrooms for their daughters with a Jack and Jill bath, which I love that Jack and Jill bath. It's so cute with all the blue details. The main reasons that we wanted to do the renovation was to expand, but we also wanted to stay authentic to the style of the home.
So Jill, explain some of the features you use to keep the design authentic.
Well, with the interior, we definitely wanted to do inset cabinetry. We did authentic farm sink. We used a lot of reclaimed wood. We reused the old cherry floors as backsplash in the pantry and in the bar area. We wanted to use like a natural stone and like an aged silver in all the finishes and the hardware and the lighting.
I love it.
We also added some barn doors that are actually authentic. Being authentic is one of our core values as a company.
On the exterior, you have to pick out the exact sticking details that match, make sure we're doing the right lap siding looks.
What is the challenges of renovating a century home?
Rarely when you walk into a century home do you find that you have a wall that's plumb or a floor that's level. So you've got to come up with some interesting ways of how to marry the old and the new without it being obvious. A lot of times you'll run into structural issues.
So what are your ideal projects?
We love doing kitchens and baths. I especially love doing kitchens, but people are running out of space. We are adding on great rooms, especially finished basements. So if you're interested, you can give us a call. We do whole home renovations, additions, finished basements, kitchens, bath, and we take it all the way down to the furnishings of the home.
Payne and Payne Renovations and Design.
Jamie's Carpet is in business and locally owned and operated since 1965. Not only do they install carpet, they can install tile, laminate, wood, and other flooring products. Their extensive website will allow you to explore flooring options using your mobile device, desktop, or iPad. Take advantage of their complimentary in-home consultation service and have one of their talented and skilled flooring consultants help you choose the right flooring for your home. Mention Real Estate Showcase TV to receive 10% off your order.
Mont Surfaces is one of the largest wholesale suppliers of fine surfaces in the Midwest. With a showcase that includes nearly 400 unique varieties of fine surfaces in a stunning assortment of colors and textures, we are sure that you can find whatever material you may need to make your dream a reality. We offer what pictures alone cannot, the ability to experience the possibilities with your own 2 hands. Because ultimately, it's about your vision. Visit us at one of our many locations and join in the Mont Surfaces experience.
Good morning. We're here today at Mont Surfaces with Brian Miller. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Brenda and Lisa. Thanks for having us.
So Brian, tell us a little bit about Mont Surfaces.
Mont Surfaces is a wholesale distributor of fine natural stones, engineered quartz, and porcelain slabs and panels. We are open to the general public 6 days a week, Monday through Friday, and then we do have Saturday hours. We have 2 late nights. We started over 30 years ago in a small warehouse on the east side of Cleveland, and our corporate office is here in the Solon area with a beautiful showroom and a wonderful warehouse. We have 8 locations surrounding the state of Ohio.
Tell me a little bit about the Mont experience when someone actually comes into the showroom.
It's our #1 priority. When clients come in, customers come in, our inside sales team is amazing, and we love to pride ourselves on educating them, having fun with them, and really showing them the experience.
Why should a designer refer their client to Mont?
Confidence. We're here to protect our designers, our kitchen and bath dealers, our fabricators. We're really here to make sure that their clients are an extension of their showrooms and their areas. The first thing we ask is who referred you. We get that information back to the designer who referred them. We send them their selections. If they tag material, we get that out to the fabricator.
So what would you say that makes Mont Surfaces unique?
Mont Surfaces prides themselves on having over 400 natural stone selections. Any given day here, you are going to find dozens of material that you will not find anywhere else. We have amazing relationships with distribution and quarries throughout the world that will call us first. And we do not go off photographs. We have employees that fly all over the world. We have well over 1,200 containers being delivered a year. There's never going to be an empty A-frame out there.
That's amazing.
On top of our beautiful new engineered quartz line, we mimic some of the most beautiful marbles in the world when it comes to our engineered quartz line. Everything in our beautiful showroom here is designed to help homeowners be more inspired. We have so many displays. Our warehouse is well lit, it's heated, and homeowners will be able to come in. They'll have an inside sales team to get them started in their selection process. Our job is to really make sure the homeowner knows what they're buying. We have a beautiful website. Homeowners are able to go to our website, look at live inventory of everything that's out on the warehouse.
Brian, if you're looking to remodel or build, what is the process?
Google Mont Surfaces and you'll be able to find us here in Solon, Ohio.
Design Showcase is brought to you by these fine sponsors: